TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. Tommy O'Brien coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in Clearwater, Florida. 9 a.m. Eastern Time, 30 minutes until that opening bell. Let's check in on the markets as all major indices look to open in the green. S&P is positive by 3 points, trading at 27.53. NASDAQ positive by 9 points, trading at 66.86. And Dow futures currently positive by 28 points, trading at 25,379. Let's jump over to the Nadex platform. Check in on some of the futures markets. Start things off with the S&P 500, currently trading at 27.53. A little bit higher this morning as of about 7:30 a.m. for the pre-market session. 27.53 is that price point we're at right now. NASDAQ 100, somewhat of a similar trading pattern. Looks like most of the markets kind of reached their high pre-market about 7:30 a.m., pulling back a bit, 66.84 in the NASDAQ 100. Dow 30. Pretty similar, pulling back in about the last half hour, 25,370. Jumping over to some commodities. Crude oil holding steady at the 63.83 price point, climbed above the $64 mark at about 6 a.m. Eastern Time this morning. We'll see how crude fares today. Gold doing well also, 1321 in the yellow precious metal. And Bitcoin, how about it? Okay, we got some volatility in the crypto world. South Korea talking about maybe a bill to ban cryptocurrency exchanges. Lots of rhetoric around there. This is last night as about 7 p.m., we were up almost at about 15,000 at 7 o'clock last night. And check out that dive all the way to about under 13,000, talking about 12,900. $2,000 dive in the span of 4 hours. Pretty remarkable. And from there, we're up a little bit, 13,754. Other news, fundamentally, jobless claims increasing for the fourth straight week. You have initial claims for state unemployment benefits increasing 11,000 to a seasonally adjusted 261,000 for the week ended January 6th. Also fundamental news, the PPI, U.S. producer price, fall for the first time in nearly a year and a half. You had a decline. Yeah, here we go. The Labor Department said on Thursday its producer price index, PPI, for final demand slipped 0.1%. The expectation was a rise of 0.2%. So we'll see how that hits the market. And last thing, Walmart jumping on the bandwagon, little good PR, giving some workers a raise, raising its starting wage to $11 and gives some employees bonuses following the tax passage bill. And Walmart, there you go, looks to open a little bit positive. Larry Pesavento coming up right now, and I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Have a great day, everybody. Thanks.